So what's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to get free Viva. Okay, no. So pretty much I was in Fortnite, yeah, that really popular game. And you see my mouse? You see my mouse here? And you see that purple guy right there? Yeah, that's me. That's me. The person right here is the victim. And I just wanted to, show off, brag about this amazing snipe. So let me just stop blabbing around. Let's get to the point. Look. See that little dot? See that little dot right there? Ew. Ooh, mega. Yeah, and then this is me. Oh. This is me. Alright, this is me. Yeah, this is me taking the shot. Here. No, yeah, there's two shots by the way, so like it was pretty easy one. Oh, there I am. See, look at me, just take the snipe. And let's get it. Let's get this bread. Come on. Peel? Maybe so. Yes, no. Eventually I will take the snipe. Eventually. So how's it going? Yeah. It's raining a couple of minutes ago, so like, yeah. Yeah. Wait. That pink dot right there. That's the victim. Yeah. I'm taking the snipe. Alright, and I'm just, getting a better spot. Let's get this bread. Come on, please. Maybe. Okay. Eventually. Peel. Yep, and then he did. Alright, yeah, that just had to brag there. So yeah, let's get this bread. And here's when I died. Get this. So you see the red dots? Those are the bad guys. Yeah. Yes. So yeah, I was just minding my own business when this guy came up and ruined my day, which was very mean of him. Because I'm very bad at this game. Even though I hit that amazing snipe. Really good. Oh, yeah, I just hit a snipe. That's all I wanted to point out. And I tried to pull out the rocket launcher, maybe spoil this boy, and then he takes the shotty out, and pow. Yeah, alright. So yeah, that's pretty much how it went. I hope this guy dies in real life, and yeah, see you guys later.